Look at that profession. Profession. A magnetic mount. Nice. Okay. Get this dry. Oh, magnet. Okay. So this is a magnet that is in rubber. This is all rubber here. It's strong. Okay. That's good. Then this one looked great. It looked great on the picture. Good quality on the picture. Same brand. Oh, look. Oh, that's very smooth and nice. This piece here feels like metal. Yeah, that's good. Here it turns. It has a scale there with degrees. 180 in both directions. And here where you stop it from turning, okay. That's good. And then it has here the action cam mount, but this is plastic. You can hear that. Plastic. I do notice that those are oftentimes breaking if you tighten the knot too hard with no camera in it, but it has a wide foot to fit on here. That's nice. Oh, that goes on there tight. And then here, oh, look at that. You can open this up and use a larger screw on there. That's good. So this ball point alone already is great, I think. Okay, so here and here. There we can turn left and right. And we can adjust here. Very good. I like this. This is a good quality. Good quality. This could be also made out of metal. That would be cooler. But then again, you have to look at the price, and it did have a great price. So, yes, I do think I can recommend this.